This video is specifically intended to the smallholder farmers in Uganda. The reason why I'm sending this video is because I've been receiving a lot of private message and comments from my social media platforms about smallholder farmers needing our help to improve their agricultural farms in Uganda. So I know that Passport Turtles is a global platform, and our intention is to help smallholder farmers, particularly in developing countries, in the global south. But I've been hearing a lot of requests from Uganda, so I believe we should prioritize Uganda as well because of the persistent demand. So uh, I'm gonna reach out now to you, smallholder farmers in Uganda, to discuss details about your agricultural projects and farms. What crops do you have in your land? What livestock? And why is it promising? And then we'll come in to help you with AI, with blockchain. We will guide you to grow your agricultural venture and make it into a climate smart agriculture project. And of course, we will also reach out to investors so that they can send money to your agricultural project and lands. Okay? So, it could be anything. It could be anywhere in Uganda. I know that me and my team have researched some Ugandan project, particularly coffee. So we know a little bit of single origin coffee in Uganda, but it doesn't have to be coffee alone. It could be any other agricultural crops and livestock. So if you don't know what climate smart agriculture is, I suggest you look it up on the internet as ChatGPT or whatever LLMs do you have there, and then reach out to me so we can focus and solve your problems.